Think practice tests are just random questions? Think again. The right ASCP MB exam simulator can make or break your prep, and there's one key feature that almost everyone misses. Stick around to find out what separates high scorers from the rest. Today, you'll learn how to use the ASCP MB exam simulator for real results. We'll cover strategies to master practice tests, avoid costly mistakes, and boost your confidence for test day. If you're chasing ASCP certification, this channel is built for you. Let's dive in. First, not all practice questions are equal. The best ASCP MB exam simulator adapts as you answer, giving you harder questions as you get them right. That's how the real ASCP MB exam works, using computer adaptive testing with multiple choice questions. Second, focus on quality, not just quantity. Data shows scoring over 61% on a simulator like Media Lab is a strong predictor of passing the actual exam. Don't just burn through questions, review detailed feedback after each test, so you learn from every mistake. Common myth: doing more practice tests always helps. In reality, targeted review on your weak spots with the ASCP MB exam simulator is what leads to big improvements. Questions? Check the official ASCP board site if you need exact requirements or eligibility details. Thousands of lab pros have passed using our expert-led classes, QBanks, and study guides at MLSIAcademy.com. To recap, use an adaptive ASCP MB exam simulator, aim for over 61%, and dig into feedback. Ready to master your practice tests? Check out the MLSI Prep platform to start now. Next up, we'll unpack the MB ASCP practice exam in detail, so subscribe and watch for that one.